Thank you. With me here is a mzee, one of the mzees who live here in the local village here. He's a farmer, and he can tell us something about water problem in this region of West Karachuonyo. So mzee, how are you?
I'm fine.
So what is your name?
My name is Samani Ombayuki.
How old are you?
I'm 70 years.
What do you do as for a living?
Nothing I'm doing here.
Yeah, but you have some cows.
I have some cows, but we have some problem is here is water.
You have a big problem with water, and you want that problem of water to be solved. If that problem can be solved, you people of this area can be very happy. Yeah, very happy. So Egerton University is proposing a new method for conservation of runoff water. So all the water which passes through this road will be passed through this filter system and collected for you downstream. How will you feel if that is done?
I'm very glad if we store this water here.
You can be very happy. Yeah, it will help you.
It will help me.
So you are requesting people to come and support you.
I want.
Yeah. So you are requesting everybody who can be able to support this project.
I want. I happy to every.
What can you tell your governor?
I want my governor to support those people who come to help us.
Thank you, Mzee. We hope the governor your governor of Homa Bay County will be able to hear what you're saying, to come to your support.
Yes.
But anyway, as university, we are also here to support you through very important projects like this, and I hope all the entire community also will come in and support the project. Thank you.